What's up, guys? We are back. Yes, we are back with another video. Now, today I'm actually in my neck of the woods, Washington, D.C. And if you watched my video a couple weeks ago, I did a video on what $500,000 gets you in Washington, D.C. versus Maryland. So I got so much good feedback from that video. I got so much, interest in that video. So today I decided to up the ante a little bit. So today we're gonna do what $1 million
$1 million
gets you in Washington, D.C. Now, we're not gonna do Maryland because Maryland is a little bit different of a market, and it's not that many $1 million houses in Maryland. So homes are much more affordable in Maryland than Washington, D.C., and you all are gonna see firsthand today. So stay tuned. We're gonna see what $1 million gets you in Washington, D.C. I'm gonna show you all a couple homes. But before we see any homes, do me a favor. If you're a first time to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. Please share the video with anyone you know who is interested in real estate. My channel covers all aspects of real estate, not only just real estate investing, not only being a landlord. I cover being a realtor, because I do have my real estate license. I also cover flipping, how to wholesale, and how to be a landlord, and all other different aspects of real estate. So go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell, and leave a comment if you have something to share. I like to read, and I try to respond to every single comment. So let's get going. See you soon. All right, guys, so we're in the property. I'll tell you just a few things. I really do like the floors. These are wide plank oak floors. They look really good. I like the staging, and I love all the light that comes in, the natural light that comes into the property. This is a really nice chandelier. I mean, that's nice. I may have to do that in one of my projects. Now, as you can see, you don't get a lot of space in the city, but I believe this is 3 levels. I really do like the kitchen area. This is a nice waterfall edge countertop. Have black handles. I really like the kitchen faucet. It's nice. I like the backsplash. I was actually thinking about doing this type of backsplash in a renovation. And now that I see it in person, I'm definitely gonna do it. It looks really nice. Have the large cabinets, soft closed cabinets. Got the Bosch appliances. This is a really nice 5-burner stove. Bosch stove with the Bosch fridge. And there's tall ceilings. If you can't really tell, but these are like 10-foot ceilings in here. So, not a lot of space here in the first level, but let's go check out the rest of the house. Nice little half bathroom right here. Let's check out the upstairs. I like the railing, all the iron railing. Here's the first bedroom with a lot of light and a really nice bathroom. This is really nice. It's a lot of light. Imagine waking up with the sun right in your face. Not in a bad way. Oh, that's nice. Here you got a nice walk-in closet with shelving. And then bam, let's look at this bathroom. Got the his and her sink. I really like these mirrors. Those mirrors look good. And I really like the tile. It looks really busy, but it looks good in person. And it goes all the way up to the ceiling. And it has a window for some natural light. And it has a bench so that you can sit down and wash everything in the shower. Nice. All right, let's head upstairs. It's another level. So there's a wet bar as soon as you even walk up here. That's nice. Here's a bedroom. So the downstairs is the master bedroom. Okay, interesting. This bedroom is a little small, a little tight. But let's go check out this view. Wow, you can see the whole city from here. You can see the monument right there. This bedroom is a little small, but the view is priceless. I would turn this into an office, really. I would love to come to work every day if this was my office. If my view had this view, if my office had this view, I would be at work every day. All right, let's check out the hallway bathroom. I like the subway tile. Got the deep tub. Check how deep this tub is. That's a deep tub. And then the vanity, you know, pretty cool. Then you have so this is actually the office. I would actually make that other room the office, just because the view is so much better. And then you have a rooftop. Let's go check out the rooftop. On the roof, check out the rooftop. Oh wow, this is priceless here. This is priceless. Now this is the $1 million view. This is what you're paying for. This view right here. This is really what you're paying for. You're paying $1 million for this view. The house just comes with it. Yeah, no one would have ever thought here in Trinidad there will be $1 million homes. No one would have ever thought. So the time to get into real estate is now, because it's not getting any cheaper. Real estate is not getting any cheaper. All right, guys, we are here at the second property. Now, we're over here in a more residential part of town. This is Brookland, DC, not to be confused with Brooklyn, Brookland. Now, Brookland is been more of a historically a residential part of town. There's more single family homes in this neighborhood. You don't see a bunch of row homes or city townhouses like you would see closer into the city or where we just came from. These areas have been historically better price pointed, meaning you get more for your dollar here. The same homes that cost $1 million downtown are a fraction of the size of these homes. Matter of fact, let me show you. I really like the design. It's very modern. It actually has two-tone, black and white. It's very creative, and I really do like the house. But you can see it's just a much bigger home. And as you can see, the neighborhood, everybody has single-family detached houses. So you get a lot more square footage for your dollar in this neighborhood. Now, really quick, I know a lot of people think that, you know, I'm just a real estate investor or, you know, a real estate, a flip guy, but no, I'm not. I'm really just Mr. Real Estate. You know, I do everything in real estate. I flip houses. I'm a landlord. I also manage a real estate team. So shout out to the Prosperity Home Team. That's my real estate team. Nicole and I manage that team. And we're basically, we manage a team of realtors. So if you are in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, looking to buy a house or looking to sell your house, you can always reach out to us. We have a wealth of knowledge. We've been realtors for a very long time. And even better, we grew up here in the city. So we know this area like the back of our hand. So. Here you have a very big open space here, enough space for a living room and enough space for a dining room. Now let's head into the kitchen area. Very large kitchen. I love the amount of countertop space. The island is very large. A lot of space here in the kitchen. Oh, they even have a pot filler. So this is a pot filler, and this is good if you're cooking on the stove and you don't want to have to move the pot from the stove to fill it up. You could leave it there and you could just fill it up with this. It's one of those luxury things. They have an electric stove. It looks like it's an induction stove, so it doesn't get hot when you touch it. It only gets hot when you're cooking. Even if you touch it, it won't burn you. Really nice door here. Really nice door. Brings in a lot of natural light. Let's go check out the backyard. Oh wow, plenty of space back here. Plenty of space. One thing I do like about Northeast DC or Brookland, you get a lot of backyard space. I really like this platform here too. You can cook out here, you can hang out here. And we have a half bathroom here as well on the first level, right off the kitchen. Just what you need, nothing special. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. I really like these handles. I like this, these arm railings here. I like the natural wood look to them. I like all the black finishes, the black doorknobs. Oh wow, this room is pretty big. And I don't think this is the master. And you have a nice view of the block. Here we go with the hallway bathroom. Oh, this is nice. Got the nice subway tile with the niche in the shower. Nice flooring. And I really do like the shower head. Nice modern shower head. Kind of farmhouse modern. With the oval mirror. Only thing is I probably would have put a black chandelier in here other than doing chrome, but it still looks good. Now let's head over here to the next bedroom. Now I know this house isn't furnished, so it's a little hard to visualize everything, but this house is very large. All the bedrooms are big bedrooms. Now this is interesting. This room has a bathroom in it, but this is the smallest bedroom. Not really sure why they did that. This bathroom is just as nice as the hallway bathroom. Very similar to the bathroom down the hall. This house is $1 million. This is what $1 million also gets you. So you can see as the neighborhood changes, you get a lot more further from the city. But we're still in the city, just further from downtown. And you get a walk-in closet, very nice. I love the beams, the exposed beams up here with the lights, with the track lighting up there. And then you have another closet right in here. Nice. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to show you all what $1 million gets you in the city and what options you have with $1 million budget here in Washington, D.C. So as you can see, the closer that you get to downtown, the less square footage you get. But the closer you get downtown, the closer you are to all the action, and the finishes are a little bit better. But with this house, you get so much more square footage. I mean, you can't compare the size of this house, and we still haven't gone into the basement, but you can't even compare this house square footage to the last house. All right, y'all, thanks for staying tuned and watching this video. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section on which house you would choose, the first property or the second property. Which property would you buy? All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, peace.